Hey there! So, you're facing a bit of a problem with your network, huh? You recently joined a new network and noticed it's been slow. Upon investigating, you stumbled upon a mysterious page for the DNS server at 192.168.3.1. To add to the confusion, when you checked 192.168.1.1, it claimed you were connected to Starlink. Quite a head-scratcher, right? Not to mention those virtual network adapters floating around in your system. What's the deal with those? Time to unravel this network mystery. Now, let's dive into the solution here. airOS is the name of the firmware used in Ubiquiti's Trademarks series of Wi-Fi products. You're encountering a device running airOS connected to a Starlink gateway, creating two local subnets. It's like having two routers in a daisy chain, each serving its own purpose in the network setup. Turns out, both 192.168.3.1 and 192.168.1.1 are the router home pages in this setup. A bit unconventional, but hey, it gets the job done. In a nutshell, you've got a network setup with a twist, involving airOS firmware, virtual adapters, and double router action. No need to fret about those extra network adapters. They're just hanging around doing their own thing. And hey, sometimes network setups can be a bit quirky, right? All part of the fun and games of tech troubleshooting. So, with that, stay curious, stay connected, and remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy networking!